What's going on, y'all? This your boy KP from the KP and Gino J Show, and I'm back at the Felker Ward project. Yeah, it's been a while since we've been here, but this is the project that was the duplex that we converted into a single family. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to walk you guys through it so you can see everything we did to it to make this duplex into a beautiful single family home. But before we do that, click the like button, subscribe, and comment, and let's go. So yeah, now we're about to go inside. Just want to show you guys, man, how beautiful this house came out. You know we had to do that canary yellow door. Ta-da! Yeah, man. Before we go any further, I'm going to rewind and show you guys what it looked like in a couple pictures before all this. As far as the numbers on this house, purchase price was about $150. Took about $70 to renovate. I mean, it was all studied out when we got it, so we didn't have to do any reconfiguring. Just had to work with that. So, and now we're going to list it for close to $400. I mean, seems like a home run to me if we get that or even anything close to it. Crazy, right? I mean, this place was just studded out. Nothing, no installation, no electrical, no plumbing, no nothing. So what we came in here and did, after we got all the permits and plans approved, we converted this 2-1 duplex, that was a 2-1 unit on either side, and turned it into this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, like single family. Like, look at this kitchen. I mean, the staging is immaculate. Gotta give a shout out to Maria, our stager. But yo, instead of putting wall cabinets up, we went ahead and put some shelving up. Only to make this space feel a lot larger. We got the dark tile, wood grain backsplash, and the dark gray shelving. And I think it works very well together. So we did that to make this space feel larger. Say if we had put wall cabinets up, it would have kind of closed the space in. But with these shelving, it just makes it feel so much more larger. And then you overlook and you got this island here. We got a 4-foot island, but we have a 12-inch overhang. So it's a 5-foot island with space enough for 3 people to sit and eat comfortably. I mean, you just want to snack in the kitchen? Cool, take a seat. It's not the only place. A lot of houses nowadays don't have dining rooms, but we do. We decided to put a dining room over here. So the lucky homeowner that's about to buy this place is going to love that it has its own separate dining room that you can easily turn into an office if you prefer that instead of a dining room. But yeah, this is the living room area. Stayed so beautifully. And right off the living room and kitchen, the master suite. Yeah, big, beautiful master bedroom with 2 windows that offer so much light. Got this queen size bed in here. I mean, there's plenty of room for a king size. We have a walk-in closet. But to the left, the master bathroom. Dual vanity. Big, beautiful 48-inch mirror. Check out this stand-up shower with these 2 partition half walls. Beautiful. Penny tile on the floor. Gray slate on the walls. Then we have the water closet over here with the toilet. And check out this floor tile. Beautiful. It ties everything in together so nicely. And yeah, we had to put this 4x12 window up here. Offer a little fresh air in here along with the vents. So this house is actually a 3-2 like I said. And the other 2 bedrooms are back here. But before we go to the other 2 bedrooms, check out this hall bath. Yeah, more accent tile on the floor. Swing it on up. Beautiful gray slate on the wall. Nice little shaker vanity. It's a cool little bathroom, man. I mean, it's beautiful. Can light over the shower. Now the other 2 rooms are just big rooms as well. Like, I'm in one of them now. This is one of the extra bedrooms. You have a double door on the closet here, and right across the hall, another big bedroom with a double door, French door on the closet. So yeah, this house, like I say, was a duplex, but we converted it into a single family home that I'm sure will fly off the market. I mean, the area that I'm in right now is called Riverside, and it's a great area to live in. Like, the schools are A1, they're close to shopping and expressways. So hey, I'm sure when we list this house in a couple days, it won't last long. So with that being said, I'm KP from the KP and Gino J Show, and I hope you enjoyed this before and after video. Make sure you subscribe, click the link, comment, let us know your thoughts or any questions you may have. See you on the next one.